SP101 flooring plywood is developed specifically for the flooring industry to ensure it gives guaranteed performance. It is third-party tested by TFT wood experts and carries the Diamond Mark certification of quality assurance. All processes are in accordance with BS 8203 Code of Practice for the installation of resilient floor coverings. The single most important factor affecting the performance of plywood in a subfloor is moisture, and with this in mind, care should be taken to ensure the environment and the plywood is in equilibrium before proceeding. A moisture test of the subfloor should be carried out using a wood moisture meter. A reading of the relative humidity in the air and the room temperature also needs to be carried out. Once all three readings have been taken, the installer should be able to make a decision on whether the timber subfloor is at the correct moisture content in relation to the humidity and temperature of the room. Before laying sheets, the subfloor should be thoroughly cleaned and checked for removal of any debris. This will ensure that the sheets will lay flat as possible. The correct thickness of SP101 plywood should be selected dependent on the condition of the surface to be overlaid, the type of floor covering and the overall height of the finished floor. Lay sheets perpendicular to floorboards with the joints in the plywood staggered. Fixings should be placed at a maximum 100mm centres around the perimeter of each plywood sheet, 12mm from the edge, and at a maximum 150mm within the sheets. The diagram clearly shows these spacings. Typical fixings for plywood are ring shank nails, countersunk screws, and some types of divergent staples. Suitability of fixing process depends on the condition of the subfloor, type of covering to be applied, and any further surface preparation required. In this video, we're working with the spot nail system using ring shank nails. A copy of the spot nails guidance note for fixing SP101 is available to download from the SP101 Flooring Plywood website, along with other useful information. Once securely fixed, the plywood subfloor is ready for further preparation. SP101 is manufactured to very strict dimensional tolerances and therefore only needs minimal filling to joints and indentations where fixings have been applied to ensure a high-quality finished floor. When using smoothing and filling compounds which contain water, the plywood and associated subfloor components will again need to be allowed a period to dry out and reach a moisture equilibrium before further finishing of the floor covering installation. Once the floor has been fully prepared, a recommended adhesive is applied, and the floor is now ready for the fitting of the vinyl tiles. The use of SP101 flooring plywood and all allied products ensures the finished floor looks stunning and is guaranteed to perform to industry standards for many years to come.